Is your 2008 Mazda 6 alarm system acting up? You're not alone. After 17 years, these systems are prone to various issues that can cause false alarms and frustrating interruptions. The most common culprits are failing door and hood switches, weak key fob batteries, and incorrect sensitivity settings. Let's examine each of these issues systematically. First, try replacing the key fob battery. A weak battery can cause intermittent communication failures, triggering the alarm. Replace the CR2025 or CR2032 battery and monitor the alarm behavior for 48 to 72 hours. Next, inspect the door and hood switches for corrosion or damage. These switches use magnetic reed sensors that can fail over time. Check all door and hood switches visually and test them with a multimeter for proper continuity. Consider that the alarm sensitivity might be too high, especially with changes in temperature or humidity. Factory sensitivity settings may become inappropriate over time, and environmental factors can affect sensor performance. Modern diagnostic tools, like OBD2 scanners, can help pinpoint the exact cause by reading body control module codes. This approach is much more precise than older trial and error methods, saving you time and money in the diagnostic process. By systematically checking these three main areas, key fob battery, door and hood switches, and sensitivity settings, along with modern diagnostic tools, you can effectively identify what's causing your 2008 Mazda 6 alarm to malfunction. Once you've identified faulty switches, replacement is often the most effective solution. Door and hood switches typically cost between $15 and $45 each. Before replacing switches, try cleaning the contacts with electrical contact cleaner. This simple maintenance step can resolve many alarm issues caused by corrosion and dirt buildup. If cleaning doesn't solve the problem, the alarm sensitivity may need adjustment. This can be done through the vehicle's diagnostic menu or with professional scan tools. Prevention is key to avoiding future alarm problems. Regular maintenance includes cleaning switch areas, replacing key fob batteries annually, and protecting electrical connections from moisture. When deciding between DIY and professional repair, consider the success rates and costs. DIY repairs have a 60 to 70% success rate and cost $25 to $75, while professional diagnosis achieves 85 to 90% success, but costs $150 to $300.